There he is. Let's get him.
Next up to the USA. The moment I had to say is, just come with me for a moment. But I gonna miss my plane. Just follow me. Hey, I know you. You're that guy doing karate chops, remember?
Yes, I did. I am Danny D. Prime, the leader and warrior of the American Spies. Andy Panda, created by Walter Lance since 1930s. Nice. They're here.
And now I do it like this,
like this.
There he is. I gotta go. Not the line. Oh, that was just he's in here in an airport on Tokyo. Don't let him get away. Oh, look out for the planes.
Here, ride the scooter. Sure can do.
Someone has these all the suitcases. Oh, there's his girlfriend on Tokyo. Kirby!
Whoa. Yo, come on.
Okay, now.
Hold on. Oh.
Looks like I am safe away from home. I'm sorry for what I did. I don't want you to lose any more races. You are. After I leave on Tokyo, after SpongeBob was in the championship of Japan and let Orange win, and you are the best cartoon in the whole wide history. Your best friend, Andy Panda. But I don't want him to leave. But yeah, I think it's just like that. That moment and funny and there are all the pages. Do you think he's gonna be okay? Yes, Lindsay. I bet he's going home to be safe. Okay, so why am I here? I just want to tell you about this. Danny? Here you go, Holly. I'll go check it out.
Let's see.
It's about this guy with the damaged chest on his body.
Wow, that is disgusting.
Yeah, tell me about it, right, Rhino?
Yes, I fight the pirates.
Wait, did you fight the pirate villain army?
Yes, many years ago. 'Cause I stopped the villain Bass. And Danny's father. He's the greatest hero and American spy in the whole universe.
Cool.
Oh, and a becoming warrior.
Whoa, he's a warrior too?
That's right. So it is. Now, wait here. I got something for you.
Yeah, this is gonna be great.
This means you're gonna be a spy.
Spy? What's a spy?
No. Okay.
This.
Oops, sorry, this, what is that? What, whoa, this is Danny D's prime, that's Danny's father laser sword. It's a powerful weapon of the American spy. That's, see? It's cool. And Danny's father was killed by himself. Huh? Wait, how did Danny's father died? Well, the young spy named Beardo Arg, he resembled a pirate villain army, destroyed the spies and our troops. Whoa, that's terrible. Yes, and he betrayed and murdered his father. He's a good friend of mine. Yeah, that's really sad. Wow, I remember that part, that he fallen in a volcano to death. Wow, that's gonna leave a mark. Yes, I was a leader general of the American spy. That's right, kid. I am the co-pilot here. But what? Maybe, where are we going? To Paris. All aboard to Paris. Whoa, Paris? Really? Yes. As it would, at the Eiffel Tower. Let's go. Here we go. Paris, coming right up. Welcome to Paris, Andy Panda. Come on. Let's meet our boss. Yes, yeah, kid, come on. Got it. Okay, Mr. Nintendo 3DS, could you hear me? Yes, Mr. Prime, I could hear you. This is our new recruit, Andy Panda. He's belonged to Woodpecker. Oh, I know this guy. What's the technology? Wait, something's closing on me. Wait, it's made out of a mirror. Wait a minute. Something's got into. Wait, what's that? Stand back, kid. Stand back. What the? Is he spying on me? Let's fall out! I better get out of here. Don't let him get away. Andy Panda, you stay here. We'll be right back. Come on, I better get out of here.
Oh, come on, let him have it.
Not so fast. Stop, it's enough. Oh, come on. Oh, come on already. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta control yourself, girl.
Give me back my weapon. It's mine. Okay, Panda, you could come with us. Oh, okay. Oof! Oh. What are you gonna do to me? No, you can't arrest me. I'm an innocent. Really, I'm innocent. I know you are, but you're gonna give us some answers. Do you know what this is? I never seen this guy with this technology chest before. But it's made it of.
That's right.
Wait, Janie Schiffwell, what are you doing here?
Oh, trying to make you ask some answers.
What do you want me? You know, the one who was trying to find out.
Yeah, ask Happy Racer. So he wasn't you all along?
And I am not a villain? Exactly. Can you just let me go now? Okay, you're good. Thank you. What did I even bothered?